Kevin Milne. We're on the advanced plumbing course to gain a diploma and NVQ qualification. I was offered it from my company, Sanctuary. Just thought it'd be good to get some sort of qualifications under my belt. Yeah, I've definitely benefited, learned some new skills and picked up a lot of information which will help me in the future. The theory side, using new technology which I haven't used before. Pretty much most of it, the lads have been doing it with, been good fun, everyone's helped each other. So it's been quite a sort of team game, shall we say. The theory side, definitely. Obviously bring myself up to date with modern regulations. Very good, very helpful, very knowledgeable. Yeah, definitely.